Once BI Connector is installed and the license has been activated, the next step is to configure the Obiee DSNs. For every Obiee environment, you need to create two DSNs. One is for the subject areas, and the other is for the reports. The reports DSN is also called the analysis catalog. We'll start with the subject area DSN. First, enter a name for the DSN. You can also opt to add a description. Next, enter the server name and port for the Obiee environment. The server name and port are available in the URL that you use in a web browser to log into your Obiee environment. For example, if your Obiee URL is https://bidev.starkenterprises.com:9503/analysis, enter https://bidev.starkenterprises.com in the server name field and 9503 as the port. If your server URL does not have a port number, here's how to complete the port field. If your URL starts with HTTPS, use 443 for the port. If your URL starts with HTTP, enter 80 for the port. If you're unsure about your server name or port number, please contact your Obiee administrator. Next, if your Obiee environment is integrated with single sign-on, check the single sign-on box. Choose one of the single sign-on options from the drop-down list. Then enter your Obiee user ID and password. Click Test Connection. You should see the message Successfully Connected to Obiee. If not, verify all data, including Obiee URL, port, user ID, and password. Again, contact your Obiee administrator if you continue to have a connection problem. Once the test connection is successful, choose Subject Area as the data source type. Then click Save. The Obiee subject area is now ready, and you return to the Data Source Administrator window. For the next step, click Add again. Repeat the steps you used for setting up the subject area DSN, including testing the connection. This time choose Reports as the data source, then click Manage Reports List. Your Obiee environment may include tens of thousands of analyses, and you may not need all of them for access via Tableau or Power BI or Qlik. The Manage Reports list allows you to configure a set of Obiee analysis folders and make them available for your preferred visualization tool. If you need to configure Obiee analysis folders, here's how to do it. Log into your Obiee application and access your catalog. Find the folder whose path you want to include in BI Connector, right-click on it and choose Properties. The path is listed next to Location. Select and copy this path, and this text string is what you copy in the Reports Configuration window. Click here to add this folder to the list. If you would like to add a specific report in the BI Connector list, then add the report name along with the report path. If you check the Include My Folder Reports box, the analysis will automatically be included in the My Reports folder. Click Save, and save again, and you're now ready to visualize Obiee data with your preferred data visualization tool.